Hey, Peg. Hey, CK.
How many times do I gotta tell you it's Mom and Dad?
Whatever,
Jeez.
Mom and Dad.
Okay, so here in CK's front porch, we got a little grocery action. Okay, we just called the Instacarts, right? And we're Generation X. We ain't never got no Insta Kitchen cart thing, right?
No.
But this time we got it, and we're gonna, to avoid the COVIDs, we're gonna unpack our stuff cleanly. So this is we're calling our dirty table. It's not really dirty because we wiped it down with Clorox wipe, but we're calling it dirty
This is the clean side.
because we wiped it down with Clorox wipe. So with Clorox wipe, we're calling it clean.
Right, so we're gonna transfer the dirty stuff, we're gonna clean it, and then we're gonna move it to the clean side.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the sodas. And the way I'm going to do the sodas, I'm sorry, I'm in North Carolina, the Cokes. Or the Pops, depending on where you're from, or the soda water with flavor in it, is no human hand has ever touched one of these cans, right? Because they only touch the box.
Throw it on the girl. All right, we did the soda, right?
Yeah, soda's in the house. So get the baggy thingy.
This thingy?
Yeah, the thingy.
This
So
thingy.
we got this dinghy, right? It's like a double permanent grocery bag. So we're going to put clean stuff in there, once we done it. So I touch it dirty. I take dirty, like this can is dirty because I'm touching it. Peg has got the wipe, so she's going to take it with the wipe and make it clean. 2 wipes are probably better than 1.
You gotta wipe it down real good.
And what we're going to do is we're going to leave all the stuff that's non-perishable in this container for like a day or 2 minimum before we touch any of this stuff. This way it's been wiped, it's air dried, it's had time for anything that's on it to not be on it no more. So we're being as triply sure as we can be. Okay, what we do is we realize 1 can at a time is not the best way to do this. So we unwrapped everything out of the bag. I did on the dirty side, everything's out of the bags. Now we're going to toss the bags. Peggy, can I have the trash can
Oh,
bag here?
yeah, hang on. There you go.
Yeah. So get rid of those. Now I'm going to go in the house and wash my hands and get new gloves so I can help Peg. For me, meanwhile, she's going to start continue the process. Can you get the door for me over there with the wipes? So all we're doing is hey, where you going?
I'm trying to get past you.
Well, you don't go upstage, you know? I upstaged her.
So what else is new?
Blech.
Do the meat last.
You know, an important thing to think about during a pandemic. What do you want on your tombstone?
Right thing.
And the answer for us is nothing. We don't want nothing on our tombstone. We don't want tombstones at this point in time. I'll tell you a little story. I just put those tombstone pizzas in vertically into the bag. And they're frozen, right? So it doesn't make a difference. They're frozen. They've been jerked around. But I used to work in a pizzeria because, everyone works in a pizzeria, right? And these people used to get a fresh hot pie with molten lava cheese on it and tuck it on their arm vertically and walk out.
Wait, let me ask you a question. You want to open the bag and put it in a Ziploc bag, or is it okay?
Our hands are covered in Clorox.
Yes.
You want to get Clorox on the French fries? Wipe the bag. Yeah, I think what we're going to do is we're going to take these things and we're going to, when we get in the house, take them out of their bags, even though they've been Clorox, and put them in our own Ziploc bags maybe, or reusable containers. CK, special treat for you, your favorite food in the universe, some ribs.
Hey.
It's frozen solid, but one of the advantages of the Instant Pot is that if we add like 2 minutes to our normal rib recipe, then frozen solid doesn't make a difference. It'll cook up just fine. I've done this before. So we're good to go. Maybe we can defrost them, or we can cook them from frozen, whatever. Not tonight though, I got something else to do. All right, that's our cleaning for the day. We are gonna go unload in the house, but you don't need to see that. So have a good day, shelter, stay, both those at home, Don't get sick. If you get sick, don't spread it. So this is what we're actually eating tonight. We're eating steaks tonight, and hot dogs are for during the week. But, you know, while I'm on the grill, I might as well grill some hot dogs. I'll just reheat them for lunch during the week. Everybody will have hot dogs when they want to have hot dogs. So this is dinner tonight, steaks that we already had. The other stuff, you know, is disinfectant. Stay safe out there.